Anyways, when y'all see this video, this will be the making of me filming my video for try on haul for Fashion Nova. Why are you picking up my aerial brush? Huh?
It looks so cute.
Oh, it looks
yeah,
so
Mom.
Anyway, y'all, so y'all will see this footage when this footage will be out on Sunday. But yeah, this is gonna be another vlog video. Right now, I am in the middle of filming a Fashion Nova haul, which is about to go out in a little bit. So let me finish that up. But hi to the vlog. Welcome to another vlog, you guys. Y'all got a lot going on, but tomorrow is going to be ultimate spa day, so y'all stay tuned for that. But let me finish this haul right quick. So it's the next day. I say, okay, you guys. Anyway, okay, you guys. So today is Saturday. I'm on my way to get my back massage. If you do not know, I've been having chronic back pain for like 4 weeks now. Ooh, my lips are so dry. I'm always arranging my lips. Anyways, the point that I'm trying to get a back massage, I'm about to take y'all with me, so enjoy. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Z Baby. On this channel, we do vlogs, hauls, whatever comes to mind sometimes. But I'm gonna go ahead and go because it's already 12:20. So I'm about to go ahead and go, and I hope you guys enjoy the experience like I'm about to. So let's go. So now I'm walking to find my, what is it, Skin Touch and Beauty, Angels Skin Touch and I keep saying Skin Touch and Beauty, I think. So they said the movie theater's here, so I have to walk through behind. They said they're in a building. Y'all, I've never been to this place, so hopefully it's good because I really need a back massage. This is a small movie theater. Let me show y'all. It's so small. Little small movie theater. Wow. I didn't even know they still had these available. A bigger movie theater, but not that kind. That's an old, back in the day movie theater. They said they're in this building, and I just don't see them. The place. Okay. Look at that. Oh, the front is really nice. I like that.
To swallow, sleepless nights I overflow. Should I confess or let you go? All my pride start to swallow. All nights and wait to know. Should I confess or let you go?
So basically, like before you get the massage and everything, you have to, you know, I'm gonna make this voiceover. Before you can take your massage, you have to take all your clothes off. So you have to have no clothes on. I told her I'm keeping my underwear on because that's reasonable. But you have to take all your clothes off. So I'm about to take my clothes off and we're about to see what it's about to do. So now I'm on here. I don't have any clothes on. So basically you have to be underneath the sheet and about to see, but I don't think I'll be able to like film the whole experience. So yeah, but I'm about to see what it's about to be. Hey you guys, so I just finished going through with the massage. Oh my God, I feel so good. Like, I don't know, I just feel so good. Like, feels amazing. It looks kind of funny in here because there's no light, but I feel amazing. So I'll catch you guys when I get outside. Yes. Oh, this feels so good. Like, they worked on me for a whole hour. Alright, so I left the massage spa. Excellent choice of spending money. It was $115, but I feel so good. So I want to go to the gym and swim and get in a hot tub. So I'm about to call the gym and see if they have a hot tub available, because last 2 times I went, they didn't have anything available, and I was very disappointed and I was very upset because I'm paying my membership, going to different clubs, and I don't have no hot tub. What am I spending my money for? So about to see about that, but I feel a lot better. I just feel really, really good. I needed that. And I told her I'm gonna come back because, oh my God, it feels so good. Oh my goodness, it feels amazing. So yeah, I'm about to go do that. And I'm gonna come back on camera in a little bit. Oh yeah. So now I'm on my way to the gym because yes, I'm going to the gym finally. So the girl that the massage therapist, the girl that did my massage, she did tell me if I do go to the gym that I need to not lift weights. So I'm just gonna get in the pool because I don't want to redo any more damage since I've been having chronic pain. But she did tell me when you don't work out, like, so the thing with me, I was working out and then my back started hurting. So this has been an on and off thing for me since I got into a car accident. So anytime I have like extreme back pain, I cannot work out. Like, it just bothers me. So long story short, she was like, if you want the inflammation to stop, you have to exercise. So that's what I'm about to go do. So yeah, I have to exercise, so I don't even have a choice. So I'm about to go. So happy. So you guys, now I'm at the gym. I'm about to get some water on me because the water is gonna be cold. I had to pull up here and ask him about the hot tub because yes, I need a hot tub after I finish swim, but it feels so good to be in here. I'm so happy that I'm in here. I haven't been here in a minute, so definitely, yeah. I'm about to use one of those little lifeguard things because I don't want to drown. But yes, you guys, finally made it up in here. There is nobody in here, and I will be going with that guys in and getting a hot tub and everything. What? I don't know. I haven't got in yet. No, I'm about to get in there. Out of the pool. So now I'm about to get in the hot tub. My favorite part, because I love to get me some hot tub. It's making me feel amazing. That's what I'm going to do. Because the girl has been in a lot of pain. So, yes, you guys, I'm enjoying my Saturday. I hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday too. And I told y'all before, let me know how y'all finding me on YouTube. Are you finding me through shorts? Let me know how you're finding me. But me and my sister, fun fact, we used to twerk inside of this gym, this hot tub right here. Bring back memories. But yes, I am loving, I don't want to fall. I'm loving this. I'm showing y'all my armpits. Y'all, I ain't shaved in a minute. Fun fact, I have not shaved underneath my arms. I will soon though. So, yes, you guys, I am loving this. And then after this, I'm going to go to Cheesecake Factory, even though I shouldn't, and treat myself to something good. I'm also going to go to Sephora because I need to get some makeup. That's one thing that I said I was going to do. And I've been putting it off. Every time I'll be like, oh, what the fuck? Every time I'll be like, I'm going to go to Sephora. And I'm going to go get me some makeup. And I don't get it. Even though I don't need makeup. But, yeah. Yeah, my lips are dry. That's that chlorine. Yeah, I'm enjoying this. It feels so good. Oh my God. It feels so freaking good, you guys. I am loving it. Yes. But this Saturday, so I'm gonna catch y'all at the restaurant because I just wanna relax, look at some TikTok videos. So I'm gonna see y'all at the restaurant. Now I'm about to head out and I'm about to go inside of Basana because I still have to go to the mall and this Saturday and I don't want them to close, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of here until when it's time first though. Because that's what I want to do. Because sauna is important. I don't think I'm gonna bring you guys in because last time I brought my phone in, it overheated. I'm about to head to the mall. I'm about to go ahead and go to Cheesecake Factory because that is my place of choice that I want to eat, even though I got groceries in the refrigerator. I know that's a double negative. I said I was trying to save some money. However, it is okay to treat yourself, okay? So far, I've been loving today. I went to the massage therapist. You know, my lips are ashy, but it's okay. I went to the massage therapist and then I just went to the gym. Now I'm about to eat some good food and then I'm gonna get something from the store. Preferably like some makeup or something because that's what I've been wanting to do, go to Sephora for the longest. So I'm gonna go to Sephora and then after that, I don't know. I think I'm going to my mother's house later, but I do want to go to the movies because today is all about today is all about self-care. So food, I'm gonna go to the movies later on tonight. So yeah, so this vlog is going to be pretty lengthy. Hopefully I get 35 to 40 minutes. But yeah, you guys, let me stop rambling and let me get to Cheesecake Factory. Okay, they're not giving me any answers, so I'm just gonna go sit at the bar. Guys, so now I am in the mall. There's music going on, but I'm about to head to Sephora like I said I was and get some stuff. So yeah, it's the only place that has like a freaking store for their place. I don't want a Tesla. What I look like? I mean, the car is nice and everything, but there are better things in life. I'm okay with my 2021 Nissan Versa. I'm content and happy. I wouldn't even change it for one thing in the world. I like my car.
Linger in the dark, like when you're falling asleep next to the girl in your sheets. Do you ever think of me? Can't explain it, caught up in your heat wave. Ooh, driving me crazy, got me burning in flames. Ooh, obsessing in secret on an overnight. I can't explain it. Can you feel the heat wave too?
I get like a new band for my arm, and he was like $50. I'm sorry. I can find that at TJ Maxx. I have money to spend, but I'm not about to spend $50 on a watch for your wrists. They crazy. So I am about to leave the mall because I'm done spending my money. I just spent $100, $130 in Sephora. Because I got me some Versace perfume, but I love that perfume. Like, yeah. I'm done spending my money, so I'm about to leave out of here. It's a lot of music. I'll catch up with y'all later. Guys, so I arrived in my car now. So now I'm about to, I wanted to go to my mother's house, but I kind of want to just chill at my house. So I'm about to go to my house and relax, and then I'm gonna do like a little haul, show y'all what I got. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the mall. So I'll see y'all when I get home. Okay, you guys, so I have arrived home. So let me show y'all what I got really quickly. So I did get this Versace perfume because, y'all, this is my favorite perfume. I just love this. This originally was a present from my man, and he had got me this for a Christmas present one time. And I'm in love. I feel like y'all so close to my finger. I am so in love with this perfume. Y'all, this is my jam. So I'm about to see. Hold on, air conditioner thing came on. I'm about to see how big it is because she said this was the one for 100. But when I went to Orlando, I got a bigger than the one that I have in my bathroom. So yeah, this is a little bigger than the one I have in my bathroom. The one I have in my bathroom is very small, but I had to get a travel size one in my bathroom because when you're on a plane, you can't carry a lot of alcohol. But yes, this is like the medium size. Some Sephora concealer because I was running low. And I got me some Fenty lip gloss glow because I haven't had none in a while. And then like she literally wrapped it. And then I got these, you guys, so cute. So I thought these were cute. They were 2 for $15, and I needed more studs because at my job they don't allow you to wear hoops. So I got that. A little bit more money than I wanted. I really didn't want to spend that much, but if I didn't want to spend, I should have never went to the mall. But these are things that I wanted to get when I was sick, and I couldn't get them because I didn't feel good. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get another video like this, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.